Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Nabilah Syahirah, metric number BB24110358 from Technopreneurship University Malaysia, Sabah. Today, I will be presenting my digital poster and magazine titled Exploring Duolingo as a Digital Language Learning Platform. This presentation discusses how Duolingo functions not only as a language learning application but also as a successful example of technopreneurship in digital education. There are several reasons why digital learning is becoming more popular today. Firstly, over 70% of learners prefer mobile apps over traditional classroom as apps are more convenient and flexible. Secondly, digital learning is quick and easy to access. Learners can study anytime and anywhere using their smartphones. Lastly, these platforms are generally user-friendly, making learning more engaging and less stressful compared to traditional methods. Duolingo offers several key features that make it effective for language learning. First is gamification, where users earn levels, rewards, and maintain daily streaks. This helps motivate learners to stay consistent. Second, Duolingo uses a lesson and skill tree system, which allows users to track their progress step by step. Third is adaptive learning, where smart algorithms adjust the difficulty based on the learner's performance. Lastly, Duolingo focuses on speaking and listening practice, helping users improve real-life communication skills. Next, Duolingo works because it is designed to fit into users' daily routines. Firstly, it uses micro-learning, where each lesson takes only about 5 to 10 minutes, and this makes learning feel manageable and prevents users from feeling overwhelmed. Secondly, Duolingo provides motivational notifications and reminders which encourage users to practice consistently and maintain their learning streaks. In addition, Duolingo also focuses on repetition and regular practice, helping learners remember vocabulary and grammar more effectively over time. Lastly, its colorful and playful design keeps users engaged, making the learning experience enjoyable rather than boring. Duolingo has several strengths that make it popular among users. Firstly, it offers free accessibility, allowing anyone to learn a language without cost. Secondly, the app has a fun and non-intimidating interface, which makes learners feel relaxed and motivated. It is also easy for beginners, as lessons start from basic vocabulary and simple sentences. Lastly, Duolingo provides a large selection of languages, giving users many options to choose from. However, Duolingo also has some weaknesses. One limitation is that it is limited for advanced learners, as the content may not be challenging enough. Additionally, some users find the lessons too repetitive, which can reduce interest over time. Finally, there is uneven lesson quality, as some language courses are more developed than others. Furthermore, Duolingo has made a significant impact on digital learning worldwide. With over 500 million users globally, it clearly shows that digital platforms can successfully reach a large and diverse audience. In addition, Duolingo offers more than 40 languages, making language learning more inclusive and accessible to people from different cultures and backgrounds. Overall, this demonstrates how digital learning can break barriers and promote the global education. In recent years, digital language learning applications have become increasingly popular. This is mainly because they are easy to access, flexible, and user-friendly, especially for students and working adults. This project explores Duolingo as a digital learning platform that integrates technology, education, and business principles. Duolingo uses gamification, microlearning, and adaptive learning technologies to make language learning more engaging and affordable. Compared to traditional language learning methods, which can be costly and time-consuming, Duolingo helps overcome challenges such as high learning costs, limited access to quality education, low learner motivation, and overall, this study shows how digital innovation like Duolingo can transform education while also creating scalable entrepreneurial opportunities. The demand for digital learning solutions has increased due to rapid technological advancement and changes in learning preferences. Many traditional language learning methods require high fees, fixed schedules, and physical attendance, which may not suit all learners. Digital language learning applications offer a more flexible, affordable, and engaging alternative. Among these platforms, Duolingo stands out as one of the most successful and widely used language learning apps in the world. Duolingo is accessible through mobile and web-based platforms, allowing millions of users worldwide to learn language anytime and anywhere. This makes it a strong example of how technology can improve learning accessibility while supporting innovation in education. This project was developed using a qualitative analysis approach. The process involves several steps, which is first, I review literature related to digital learning and technopreneurship. Next, I analyze Duolingo's application features, learning structure, and overall design. I also observe the user interface, including how gamification elements are used to motivate learners. Visual materials such as screenshots, infographics, and flow diagrams were used to support the analysis. Finally, Canva was used to design the digital poster for clear and effective presentation. This approach helped me understand both the educational and business aspect of Duolingo. The results show that Duolingo offers several strong digital learning features. First, Duolingo uses gamification elements such as streaks, levels, rewards, and these features help motivate users and encourage daily learning habits. Second, Duolingo applies adaptive learning supported by algorithms. This means the apps adjust lesson difficulty based on the user's performance. Third, Duolingo focuses on microlearning, where lessons are short and suitable for quick study sessions. In addition, Duolingo has a global reach, offering over 50 languages to users worldwide. Visual elements such as icons, learning flow, diagrams, and global impact maps are also used to help users understand the learning process more easily. With that, Duolingo represents a strong example of technopreneurship by combining technology, education, and a scalable digital business model. The platform uses a freemium strategy where basic learning is free while premium features are available through paid subscriptions. This approach allows wide access to education while still generating revenue. Duolingo also demonstrates how digital entrepreneurs can create social impact by improving access to education, especially for learners who may not afford traditional classes. At the same time, the platform maintains long-term sustainability through innovation and continuous improvement. That is all for my presentation. I hope this presentation helps those who are interested in learning more about language learning applications such as Duolingo. Thank you for your attention and bye!